In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Perplexity AI to draft the perfect script for your next video project. Whether you're an experienced content creator or just getting started, this tool can help streamline your workflow and bring your ideas to life with precision and style. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your browser and head over to Perplexity.ai. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. This may seem straightforward, but if you're ever having trouble, make sure your internet connection is stable and that your password is entered correctly. A seamless login ensures you have access to all the platform's features. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to crafting your script. In the toolbar, you'll find a section to type in your request. Here is where you draft a command that clearly specifies what you're looking for. Let's say you want a script for a 5-minute video on AI trends in 2025. Simply enter that request and give it a moment to process. Once you've submitted the request, Perplexity will generate a script structure for you, complete with an intro, main points, and an outro. This is the skeleton of your content, designed to make sure your message flows consistently from beginning to end. Take a moment to review this structure. Consider whether the opening grabs attention, the points logically connect, and the conclusion effectively wraps up your discussion. Sometimes you might want the script to reflect your personal style or the tone you're aiming for in your video. Maybe you want it to be casual and funny, or perhaps more professional. Simply ask Perplexity to adjust the script to match your desired tone. Personalizing the tone will help your audience connect with the content on a more emotional level, making your video stand out. For those of you interested in the visual aspects of video production, Perplexity can also suggest scene ideas or visual cues. Whether you need camera directions or B-roll suggestions, this tool can provide creative inspiration. Consider these suggestions as you plan out the visual narrative of your video, ensuring that your visuals complement the script seamlessly. Finally, adjust the length of your script if necessary. You can easily shorten or expand specific sections depending on your target video length. This flexibility is crucial for maintaining audience engagement and ensuring that you don't miss any vital points or overstay your welcome. Once everything looks perfect, copy the final script into your video planning document. Having everything in one place will make it easier for you to move forward with production and keep track of your progress. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Perplexity AI to create your video script. This method ensures creativity meets practicality, making your scripting process smooth and efficient. Remember, the key to a successful video lies in planning and execution, and now you're one step closer to bringing your vision to life. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!